Welcome, my beautiful people. Fernando David here, and I have 3 interesting stories coming out of Airbnb. The first one is that Airbnb has backed regulations in the state of Arizona that will fine hosts that are found to have violated a nuisance, health, or safety law. Now, the details of the actual law itself, which is SB, I think it's 1579 or 1379, are vague. I looked for it. I did some search of the details of this law, and they're extremely vague. And the question that I have, and if you're from Arizona, please enlighten us on this specific law, is A, why do we need it? There's already nuisance, health, and safety laws in the books. And B, why is it only targeting short-term rentals? The next story is coming out of Airbnb is that they have sent a letter to the Biden administration letting them know that they're willing to help out in the vaccine distribution. Now, again, the details are unknown, but if you followed the pattern of some of the assistance that Airbnb has provided in the past, I believe what's going to happen is that they're going to ask hosts to open up their doors, especially in rural areas, for the vaccine distribution. So I'll give you an example. A couple of years back during the hurricane here in South Florida, Airbnb asked hosts to open up their doors for people that were displaced. In addition to that, most recently, Airbnb asked hosts to open their doors for frontline workers that were coming to work in the fight against COVID-19. So I believe you're going to see something similar to that. The last story that I have, and for me is a sad story, is that in Hawaii, short-term rentals saw a dramatic decrease. So it's somewhere up to 50% of the listings that were there last year are no longer available. So that's sad for me. I hope and pray that soon the powers that be in Hawaii stop putting a strong chokehold on the travel industry, especially in a state like Hawaii that depends heavily on travel. I hope they lift that, and I hope they open up their doors, and I hope Hawaii comes back stronger than ever. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, list them below. Love you, and I'll see you in the next one.